everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over a thrift store lamp with the help of my friends at Redesign with Prima. I love this company. We are using their decoupage fiber and their amazing silicone molds. Now here's the deal. You can make over any lamp with this technique. Are you ready? Let's make over a lamp. The first table lamps appeared in ancient times when people used animal fat, beeswax, and olive oil to create lighting. These lamps were often made of clay or stone and had a wick made of braided cotton or linen. The first lampshade was made from parchment and had holes in it so that air would easily flow through it. The most expensive lamp in the world is the 1906 Tiffany Pink Lotus. It sold at Christie's auction house in 1997 for an unbelievable price of $2.8 million and is believed to be the only known example in existence. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Follow me on Patreon for content you won't find anywhere else, not here on YouTube, on Facebook, or on Instagram, only on Patreon. Grab any one of my books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you real soon. Bye.